Hey everyone, Ian King here, editor at Banyan Hill Publishing. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Hypernet. What is it and why is this technology so revolutionary? But before I do that, I want you to think about how we communicate right now and the amount of new devices that are going to be communicating in the future. There's a research firm named Gartner that says by the end of 2020, we'll have 20 billion connected devices that access the internet. And these range everything from your mobile phone to your thermostat in your house, your car, and in some cases, maybe even your home refrigerator could be connected to the internet to tell you when you need to go buy new groceries. But if you think that's a lot of data and information, just think 5 years from now, that number is going to jump from 20 billion devices to 60 billion devices. Now, with all this information traveling along radio frequency, along the spectrum, things are going to get really crowded. And the 5G network is going to help facilitate this information, and it's supposed to be the superhighway, but everyone knows that no matter how big the highway is, eventually you wind up sitting in traffic. And when you're in traffic, you have to look for a new road. So the next wave of innovation that's coming in the networking space is what we call the Hypernet. Now, the Hypernet is a really interesting technology that I've been looking at, and it's a way to transmit information via light signal. They also call it Li-Fi. And the way this works is by taking an LED light and flickering it in a sort of Morse code signal that allows you to pick up the data. Let me show you an example. Right here you're seeing my regular household light in regular motion. It's an LED light. You can't see anything except the light is white. But when I show you this in slow motion, you'll see that the light is actually flickering at a rapid rate faster than the human eye can see. There are things happening in LED bulbs. Light is actually flickering in ways that our eyes can't look at it. And that means we can take any type of LED bulb and turn it into something that sends data. And we can put these in areas where we don't have or can't use radio frequencies currently. An example of this is on an airplane. Now, you know in your overhead reading lights, you could turn those into an LED signal that transmits information to someone who is sitting on a plane when you can't get a radio signal. You know when you take off and you land on a plane, the flight crew comes around and asks you to turn off your connected devices because they don't want to interfere with air traffic controls and the airplane signals. Another place where this could be very innovative is in hospitals. In hospitals, there are areas where you can't use connected devices because the radio frequencies interrupt with some of the medical equipment that they use in hospital. Another place is in those hard to reach areas in the back of a grocery store. Imagine walking through the aisles and having the lights flicker and be able to give you instantaneous Li-Fi information wherever you are in the grocery store from the LED lights in the store. Or perhaps anywhere throughout your house wherever a light can be installed. So you can see there's some pretty big use cases for this technology, and that's why we're really excited to hone in on its development and invest in the type of companies that are bringing these new products to market. I'm Ian King, and this is your Sovereign Investor Daily Update. If you like our videos, give us a like, hit that like button down there, and if you want to stay up to date with information, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.